Lily, do you want to play with me?
No, I'm studying for a test right now.
Just one game, please. I'm so bored.
You're bored? Tiny hands challenge. Have fun playing with tiny hands.
Yeah, I guess I can give it a try.
You can stop now, Max.
This is actually really fun.
Tiny hands challenge.
What?
Ha! Payback. Now you have to drink your soda with these tiny hands.
Fine.
Oh, Max, are you okay?
No, you made me spill out my soda.
You did good though. Hey, Max.
Hey.
Wait, are those my cookies? Those were the last ones.
What? I don't see your name on it.
Those are mine.
You know what? Tiny hands challenge.
What?
Whoever can put the ball in the cup using the tiny hands wins.
Fine, I'll go first.
Alright, don't miss.
Dang it.
My turn. I almost had it.
Wait, we both missed, so who gets the cookies?
We could share them.
Okay.
Tiny hands challenge.
Amy! Not right now, Amy. I'm making a card for my boyfriend.
You can do that with tiny hands. A challenge is a challenge.
Fine. But I still need the glitter.
That's pretty, Lily. Your challenge is done. Bye.
My card is ruined. Tiny hands challenge.
What? Not now, Lily. I'm trying to do my makeup.
You said it yourself. A challenge is a challenge.
Fine. Oh, dang it.
That came out better than I thought. You're good. How bad is it? I look terrible. You don't.
What? They're gone already?
Sorry, Max.
I'm going to make more popcorn. There.
Ooh! Ow!
No, you need to eat slower. Tiny hands challenge.
Okay, that's easy.
Fine, then do it.
Okay.
Finally, you don't eat all the popcorn. She's supposed to say sorry.
Yeah, sorry. I froze for a second. Okay. I'm not even looking at the camera.
You want to play with me?
Not right now, Amy. I'm making a card for my boyfriend. Now you have to drink yours. I could laugh at it. You have to drink your soda with these hips.
Fun.